Hi guys, how are you? My name is Sardar Tayyab and today topic is digital forensics. Let's start it. Digital forensics is the process of collecting, analyzing and preserving digital evidence to investigate cyber crimes, security incidents or data breach. Here are some topics related to digital forensic. First is digital evidence for collecting data from devices, networks and storage media. Second is forensic analysis, examining digital evidence to identify patterns, anomalies and clues. Third is incident response, responding to security incidents such as data breach or malware outbreaks. Four is network forensic, analyzes network traffic and logs to investigate cyber crimes. Five is mobile devices forensic, extracting data from mobile devices such as smartphones and tablets. Six is cloud forensic, investigating crimes involving cloud computing and storage. Seven is cryptography and encryption, decrypting encrypted data and analyzing cryptography techniques. Eight is steganography, detecting and extracting hidden data in digital files. Nine is digital forensics tool, using software and hardware tools such as InCase, FTK and Xbase. 10 is forensic imaging, creating bit copies for digital evidence. 11 is file system analysis, examining a file system structures and metadata. 12 is email forensic analysis, email headers, content and attachment. 13 is malware analysis, reverses and engineering malware to understand behavior and intent. 14 is memory forensic, analyzing volatile memory to extract evidence. 15 is digital forensics, reporting documents, finding and presenting evidence in a legal format. Here are some additional topics in digital forensic. First is artificial intelligence, AI and machine learning, ML in digital forensic, using AI and ML to enhance forensic analysis and investigation. Second is blockchain forensic, investigating crimes involving blockchains technology and cryptocurrencies. Third is cloud storage forensic, analyzing data stored in cloud storage services like Dropbox, Google Drive and iCloud. Four is database forensics, examining database structure, metadata and content. Five is digital forensics challenges, overcoming that obstacles in digital forensic investigation, such as encryption and data destruction. Six is digital forensic frameworks, using frameworks like ISO 27043 and NIST SPD 800 to 686 guide investigation. Seven is email headers analysis, examining email headers to track senders and recipients. Eight is file recovering, delete or fragmented files from digital evidence. 9 is forensic data recovery, recovering data from damaged or corrupted storage media. 10 is geolocation and mapping, using geolocation data to track with devices movement and location. 11 is Internet of Things IoT forensic, investigating crimes involving IoT devices. 12 is live system forensic, analyzing running system without shutting them down. 13 is memory dump analysis, examining a memory dumps to extract evidence. 14 is network protocols analysis, decoding network protocols to understand communication flows.